Most people get this wrong. They think free banking apps are limited or low quality, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming no monthly fee means fewer features. Because in 2026, some of the best banking apps are completely free and still offer powerful tools. In this video, we are breaking down the best banking apps in 2026 with no monthly fees and how to choose the right one for your money. Let's start with the basics. Modern banking apps are built to replace traditional banks. They offer checking accounts, savings tools, debit cards, and even budgeting features, all from your phone. And the best part is, many of them do not charge monthly maintenance fees. Now here's where it gets interesting. Free does not mean basic anymore. Many fintech banks now make money through optional services instead of charging you monthly fees. Let's break it down step by step. First category is digital-first banking apps. One of the most popular options is Chime. Chime has no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, and gives you early direct deposit access. So if Alex receives his paycheck through Chime, he can often get paid up to 2 days early without paying extra. But here's the problem most users overlook. Even though there are no monthly fees, some services like instant transfers or out-of-network ATM usage may still have small charges. So, free banking depends on how you use it. Second category is spending and budgeting apps with banking features. These apps focus on control and flexibility rather than traditional banking structure. They help you track spending and manage money without monthly costs. Many users combine these with direct deposit accounts for better financial control. Now here's where it gets important. The real advantage of no-fee banking apps is not just saving money. It is avoiding hidden charges that traditional banks often add, like maintenance fees, overdraft fees, or minimum balance penalties. Third factor is savings tools. Many free banking apps now include automated savings features. They analyze your income and move small amounts into savings without you noticing. Jake, for example, might set up automatic savings that round up every purchase and store the difference. Now let's talk about security. All major free banking apps in 2026 are FDIC insured through partner banks, which means your money is still protected up to standard limits. This is a key reason why these apps are becoming so popular. In a minute, I'll show you a simple method to choose the best free banking app based on your income type and spending habits. Now let's simplify everything. The best banking apps with no monthly fees are not just about cost. They are about flexibility, automation, and control over your money. Let's summarize clearly. If you want a fee-free banking experience in 2026, focus on apps that offer early direct deposit, no minimum balance requirements, and built-in budgeting tools. Chime is one of the strongest examples because it combines all of these features in one platform. If this helped you understand the best no-fee banking apps, make sure to like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more simple finance breakdowns.